Good morning, children. Today we're going to identify the terms related to a circle. So what is a circle? A circle is a set of points in a plane. The points are equidistant from the center. Now, this point at the center is what we call the center point. How do we name a circle? A circle is named by its center. Like this one. Here, M is the center point, so the name of this circle is Circle M. Now, a while ago, I told you that a circle is made up of a set of all points that are of equal distance from the center. Like this. Now, the distance from the center to a point on the circle is what we call a radius. Now, what is actually a radius? A radius or radii in plural form is a line segment from the center to any point on the circle. Now, the radii in circle M are line segment MA, line segment MB, line segment MC, and line segment MD. In this circle, line segment AD, line segment CD, and line segment BD are called chords. What is a chord? A chord is a line segment that connects two points on the circle. Chords that pass through the center of the circle are called diameters, like this one. Line segment BD is a diameter. A diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Take note, all diameters are chords, but not all chords are diameters. In circle M, angle AMB and angle BMC are called central angles. What is a central angle? A central angle is formed by two radii whose vertex is on the center of the circle. In circle M, angle BDC is an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle. Its sides are formed by two chords of the same circle. Remember, kids? A circle is a set of all points that are equidistant from the center. A chord is a line segment connecting two points on the circle. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center. A radius is a line segment connecting the center of the circle to any point on the circle. A central angle is an angle formed by two radii. And an inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle and whose sides are formed by two chords of the same circle. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.